All right, now we're going to find out how to figure multiple resistors in parallel. So we're going to do 4 resistors. These are all connected together. These are all connected together. You denote a junction with the dot. So with this, let's go 1 ohm, 2 ohms, 4 ohms, 12 ohms. So the equation for this is 1 divided by resistance total is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2, etc. So in this case, it would look like 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 12 equals 1 over resistance total. Now we're going to go and simplify this because you cannot add these denominators into each other. So 1/12 stays at 1/12. 1/4 is equal to 1/3 of 12, so it'll be 3/12. 1/2 is 6/12, and 1/1 is equal to 12/12, which will give us 12 plus 6 is 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 1 is 22. 22 over 12. Now in order to solve this, you got to flip this the other way around, which is how you move RT up to the top. So then it turns into 12 divided by 22, which gives us 0.5454 repeating. Ohms. So this value is less than this value. It doesn't matter how big we get, it's always going to be less than 1 ohm. Because like with the parallel, our voltage comes down, it can pick to go here, or here, or here, or here. And so we're going to get a lot of voltage through our 1 ohm, and we're going to get proportionally less through each of the other resistors, but they're all going to have voltage flowing through those resistors. And so our total is going to be less than the smallest resistor.